Alright, as promised, I got the new headlights in. They are clear. Got the clear sides. I still have to figure out the electrical issues that I have going on in the truck and why this daytime running light won't come on and why the low beams come on instead of the running lights. But it looks a lot more clean and sharp. I am going to be switching to LEDs as soon as I can, so it'll give it a even better appearance. But I think that it looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And even you can tell by the side the appearance of it, like when you're walking up, you don't have that amber reflector. There's still reflectors there, but they're clear. So that looks nice. I like it. I approve. All right, that does her.